Hello everybody. Today I'm in the state forest. State means it belongs to state. This forest was planted approximately 45 years ago by pine tree. Now it's nearly ready to be cut and chopped because trees are really high and ready to go. I don't like to think about that. For me it's very painful because I like that forest. It's my friend. Hope this forest treat me as a friend too, because never ever I have had empty hands when coming home from the forest. And today this is first day of new mushroom season. I already have quite a bit, but maybe not a bit. But just once again, I'm taking a short video about saffron milk caps mushrooms. Have a look. Size and quality of that one mushroom is just excellent, because it's very young, very juicy, very tender, and ready to eat, even raw. Have a look. That one is many. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have cut just one. Other one are too small. Maybe that one. Other one is too small to cut. So I cover it, and someone else will have mushroom at that spot a couple days later.